my YouTube channel Technical Trainer. Today I am going to discussing about TELNET. It is used to access the remote network devices remotely. That means you can access your network devices like switch or router remotely using TELNET. Requirement to configure TELNET. The first requirement is to provide IP address to the interface, and the second one is configure enable password. Now, how to provide IP address to the interface? First, in user access mode, type enable to go in privilege mode. After comes in privilege mode, type configure space terminal to go in configuration mode. After comes in configuration mode, type interface space VLAN. By default, one VLAN 1 is available in switch. After that, provide IP address by typing IP space address space any IP, as I'll provide 10.0.0.100 space subnet mask, that is 255.0.0.0. After that, type no space shutdown for up the port. After that, exit from the configuration mode, then write for save the all settings. And the second one requires enable password. So how to configure it? In user access mode, type enable to go in privilege mode. After that, type configure space terminal to go in configuration mode. Then type enable space password name. After that, exit from the configuration mode and write for save the all settings. Now finally, how to configure TELNET. In user access mode, type enable to go in privilege mode. After that, type configure terminal to go in configuration mode. After that, type line to go in line mode space VTY, that is virtual terminal, space 0 space 1, that means you can type 0 to 15 numbers. 0 to 15 means 16 devices connected at the same time. Now I am typing 0 to 1, that means 2 devices are connected at the same time. Connected or login, that means same. After that, provide password to the TELNET by typing password space password name, then type login. After that, exit from the configuration mode and write for save the all settings. Now I am practically perform this practical on Cisco Packet Tracer student. Now double click to open Cisco Packet Tracer student. Now I am taking a switch and taking 3 computers. Now I'm connected through straight cable. Provide IP addresses to the PC Default gateway is you provide on the interface of VLAN. Now fulfill the requirement of the switch. In user access mode, type enable to go in privilege mode. After that, type configure space terminal. You can type conf space t. After that comes in configuration mode. Provide IP addresses to the interface VLAN 1 and provide IP. Here the IP address is 10.0.100 is the gateway of the PCs. After that, no shutdown. For up the port, and exit from here, and write for all, save all the settings. After that, configure enable password by typing conf t, then type enable space password space password name. After that, enter, then exit from the configuration mode. Without enable password, you cannot use the telnet. Now I'm going to configuring about telnet. Then conf t, line vty 0 space 1. Here is the 0 space 1, that means only two PCs are connected at the same time. 0 or 1 are the two values. Then provide a password. Here's the spelling mistake. Password. Enter. Then type login. Then exit from here. Again exit. And write for all, save all the settings. Now you can log in from the PC by opening command prompt. You have to type telnet space IP of the VLAN interface of the switch, that is the 10.0.0.100. Enter. Then you have to type the telnet password, that is HCL. It's a wrong password. After typing password, you comes in user access mode. You have to type enable to go in privilege mode. You have to type another time password to go in privilege mode. Now you can come in privilege mode. You can do anything. What do you think? What do you do from switch? You can do from here. Now access from another PC. Now you can see after typing telnet and IP, provide a password to access telnet. Timeout expired. You have to type another time. Now the practical is complete. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and like my videos. Subscribe my channel. Goodbye.